Hi, I am Geetika and let's make my eyes pink. So if you have small eyes, you need to try this pink wing eyeliner tutorial. I think it's look really cute when you apply pink eyeliner. So here I apply some moisturizer on my face in order to hydrate my skin really well and massage it for a minute. And yes, after that I apply some concealer, a generous amount of concealer on my eyelid, as you can see, with the help of the applicator. And then I apply some lip balm on my lips, and then I start blending the concealer all over my eyelid. Apply some eyeshadow. All you need to do is what I do. You can do the same and apply the eyeshadow on your eyes, and then with the help of a blending brush you need to just blend eyeshadow. I think it's the easiest way to apply eyeshadow, like it's blend, or it's you can get that eyeshadow look in a minute. Yes, I am pretty much satisfied with this eyeshadow look, and then I set my brows with the help of a eyebrow pencil, and then I take a highlighter in my fingertip and apply it on my inner corner eye, and so that I can get the effect of big eye. Then I curl my lashes and apply some mascara on my lashes. And here I am. As always, I ended up making mess with mascara, so I need to fix this. For now I need to let it completely dry. इसको फिक्स करने के लिए मैं इसको अभी यहाँ पर सूखने के लिए जो है छोड़ दूँगी, ठीक है। जब तक के लिए मैं यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ कंसीलर, अपना ऑरेंज कंसीलर मैं अप्लाई कर रही हूँ अपने डार्क सर्कल्स के अराउंड, ठीक है। तो इसको भी मैंने अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लिया है। देन आई टेक माई पिंक eyeliner and apply it on my eyelid, and as you can see I create a very big wing with this eyeliner. और यहाँ पर ये जो मस्कारा था वो कम्प्लीटली ड्राई हो गया है, पूली ब्रश होता है उसकी हेल्प से उसको यहाँ पे क्लीन कर लिया है। एंड देन आई अप्लाई सम lip liner on my lips to get that big lips, and then I apply some lipstick. एंड इस ओवरऑल लुक को कंप्लीट करने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया है सम बीबी प्लस क्रीम, सो दैट मेरी स्किन जो है इवन हो जाए। एंड देन आई अप्लाई सम makeup fixer to fix this. I think colored eyeliner looks really cute. And then I apply some blush, and then I contour my jawline to get that slim face. And yes, I am really happy with the results. And let me know if you like this pink eyes on me. And yes, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा bold look चाहिए, you can definitely apply some black eyeliner and make it like more bold if you want that bold look. So yes, comment your favorite section of the video. And yes, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.